And like I told you, I started using the AMP handles from August 2023, and the monthly jumps have been like this: August 38,000, September 48,000, October 50, November 51,000, December 53,000, January 52,000, February 18,000. March I bounced back. The day we are making this video, March 31st, I'm at 57,839 jumps for March. I'll be going and jumping today evening. So hoping to close at, add another maybe 1,500 to 2,000 jumps. So 371,000 jumps in 8 months. Of course, yes, I keep taking regular breaks. If I go on a jumping streak of say 3 to 4 or 5 days, I do take a 2-day break. So on an average, I would say that after I started using the AMP, each jump session is 1,500 to maybe 2,500 jumps per session, which is really fantastic. And broadly speaking, if I have to split my jump rope journey, we can draw a line from the time I got the AMP, before AMP and after AMP. Although before AMP, I was not measuring or counting the jumps per session or the total session, the total jumps. After AMP, I can tell with confidence that my per day jumps, per day number of jumps, per week number of jumps, per month number of jumps have actually gone to a completely different level. The volumes have spiked a lot, and these are numbers which I never thought I would be able to do, but I'm happy to see that I'm doing it now. So this is clearly an example of the saying, what cannot be measured cannot be managed, or we can say it, what cannot be measured cannot be improved. So once I started seeing the measurements, I started seeing the stats, I could very clearly see where I stood today and where I want to go tomorrow, how I can improve from session to session.